In this video, I will explain you how to create voice of the customer survey template. First click add on Kulfi form and then load form template. You can search voice of the customer and then load selected template. After that, you can check the dashboard, responses, questions, and settings. After you refresh the page, click Kulfi form and click get link. Just click continue and then choose your account. Click advance and then go to Kulfi form. And then just click allow. After you get a link like this, just copy it and paste it into your search engine like this. So the form is now ready to use. You can also edit the questions in the question type on your Google spreadsheet. For example, I want to insert new row and then give text question type. And then for the questions, for example, name like this. So it will be shown like this. Also, you can change the word, like if you need a title or whatever you want. So it will shown like this. You can also delete the row if you don't need it anymore. Also, you can change the background color of your form from yellow into blue. Thank you.